Hello and welcome to today's edition of More TV. I'm Wes Moore. Hey, did you know that in 2008 the federal government passed a law for loan originators called the SAFE Act? Now that required all loan officers to take 20 hours of classroom training, pass that classroom test, then go pass a monitored state exam, and finally pass a federal exam. Did you know that we now have to be bonded, licensed, have the FBI check our background, be fingerprinted, and have good credit? That's an awesome thing. I'm for it. It got rid of the riffraff. And many of my friends and peers in the New Mexico Association of Mortgage Professionals and the New Mexico Mortgage Lenders Association worked very hard for years and years to get our state and federal government to do this. We're happy about it. But did you know that if for some reason you can't pass that stuff, there's a loophole? That's right. Let's say you can't, for whatever reason, pass the test, or your credit sucks, or you have a felony conviction in the last 7 years, or you have a fraud conviction, or you just can't be bothered to take these classroom hours. Well, you don't have to. That's right. All you gotta do is go to work for a bank. Yes, my friends, our government, in its infinite wisdom, once again decided that if you work for a bank, then you don't need this education. You don't need to have good credit. You don't need to have your FBI background checked. Well, let me tell you my opinion, that can't be further from the truth. In fact, let me tell you a story about a loan officer trainee I know. She studied for the exam, flunked it the first time. She waited the required 60 days, studied some more, flunked it again. She waited the required 180 days and flunked it again. We couldn't hire her, or would we really want to? So when we couldn't hire her, she immediately got a job at an Albuquerque bank. Now what's wrong with this picture? Would you want your mom's mortgage transaction to be handled by this person? I don't think so. We need to close this loophole, people. This is a bad thing, but it won't be an easy task. The banking system has powerful, powerful lobbyists. The message this rule is sending is wrong. It's sending the message that if you aren't smart enough to be a loan originator at a mortgage company, then hey, just go to work for a bank. Heck, they'll take you. You'll probably even get some walk-in business. Please remember this the next time a consumer, or your mom, or yourself for that matter, asks for a loan officer recommendation. The bank loan officers, at least in this case, are the ones that couldn't pass the exam. Now let me know what you think about this down below, my blog. Please be sure and share this on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Let's get this message out. Until next time, I'm Wes Moore.